Hi guys, this is Julian from Julian Cooks at Home. I just came back from the grocery and I'm planning to make corned beef. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako gawa tayong corned beef. Guys, so ito yung mga ingredients natin sa ating corned beef. I have cut up meat. I also have my Montreal steak seasoning. And then, meron akong water later on para pakuluan siya sa aking slow cooker for 4 to 5 hours para fork tender yung ating meat later on. And then, pag naggisa na tayo, of course, the usual ingredients ng panggisa, we have garlic, onion, tomatoes, potatoes, pepper, fish sauce, and oil. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay, so maglalagay tayo ng water sa ating slow cooker. I have 1.5 cups to 2 cups of water. And then, i-add na natin yung ating beef. And then, I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Montreal steak seasoning. Mix them well. And then, put it on high. Yung sa aking... Okay, so na-mix na natin. Mabuti. Cover. And set it on high for 5 hours. Okay? Okay guys, so as always, we'll start the dish by sauteing our onions until it's golden brown and translucent in color. And then I added my garlic and wait for 2 minutes until it's cooked. Ngayon, ito yung beef natin na pinakulo or pinalambot sa slow cooker. Ang ginawa ko dito, sineparate ko siya between 2 forks. In-shred ko siya. Or you could use a masher and durugin siya ng ganito. So, these are some of the liquids from that process ng pagsuslow cook. I'm gonna use it as well dahil pag ako ay nagko-corned beef, gusto ko konting may sabaw. Okay? So, we'll just wait and then few more seconds and then I'm just gonna add in my tomatoes and my onions. Or my potatoes, sorry. Nagdagdag pa ako ng konting tomato, okay? Kasi mas gusto ko yung maraming tomatoes dito sa dish natin. Continue cooking until maging durog na durog siya. Okay? And then we can add our potatoes. Okay, so after about 3 minutes, medyo malambot na yung ating tomato. So, pwede na natin siyang durugin na ganito. Add na rin natin yung ating mga potatoes. Mix well. We'll probably wait around 5 minutes para lumambot ng konti yung ating potatoes. Pero, right now, I'm just gonna add some pepper and a little fish sauce. You could just adjust the flavor later on, okay? Kung kulang pa yung alat sa inyo. Okay, so mix well. We'll cover this and then we'll wait for 5 minutes until the potatoes are a little softer. Okay, so this is after 5 minutes. Lagay na natin yung ating beef na may kasamang liquid. Then we'll mix well, okay? Okay guys, so na-mix ko na siya. Konti lang yung tubig. Pero dadagdagan ko lang kahit na few tablespoon para masabaw ng konti. Okay? Okay guys, so I checked for seasoning. Nilagyan ko pa ng 1 tablespoon ng fish sauce. So tatakpan uli natin siya and wait until mga less than 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Tapos check natin yung potatoes kung malambot-lambot na siya. And then we have our dish, okay? Okay guys, so here it is. It took me 10 minutes talaga para lumambot yung potatoes, which is fine. But yeah, this is my homemade Filipino style corned beef. I hope you guys give this a try and please let me know what you think. Thank you.